How to make carp bait. Carp fishing is very popular in Europe, and the sport is gaining followers in the United States. Carp are attracted to baits that are sweet and crunchy, and anglers often make their own bait. Here are 3 recipes to make carp bait. 2 of these methods require cooking. The other can be made on site while carp fishing. Method 1. Dough balls. 1. Mix the dry ingredients. Stir together 1 cup, 240 milliliters, of flour and 2 cups, 470 milliliters, of yellow cornmeal in a bowl. 2. Dissolve 3 tablespoons. 45 milliliters, of strawberry gelatin in 3 cups, 710 milliliters, of boiling water on the stove top. 3. Stir the dry ingredients into the boiling water. 4. Lower the heat on the stove's burner. Cook the carp bait for 5 minutes, stirring constantly. 5. Remove the cooked dough from the heat. Allow it to cool. 6. Store the dough in a plastic bag inside the refrigerator. It will keep for 1 to 3 weeks. Don't freeze these carp bait dough balls. 7. Form the dough into balls when you're ready to fish. Method 2. Boilies. 1. Blend the dry ingredients in a large bowl. Mix 12 ounces, 340 g, of yellow cornmeal and 4 ounces, 113 g, of brown sugar. 2. Crack 3 large eggs into the dry mixture. Add 2 ounces, 60 milliliters, of cooking oil. Stir until the mixture forms a rigid paste. You may need to adjust the amounts of cornmeal and oil until you reach the proper consistency. 3. Add a few drops of red food coloring to the paste. 4. Rub cooking oil onto your hands. This will keep the dough from adhering to your skin as you form the bait balls. 5. Roll the dough into balls measuring 1 inch, 25 centimeters, in diameter. 6. Boil the dough balls in water for 2 to 3 minutes on the stove top. The dough balls will bloat significantly during cooking. 7. Use a slotted spoon to raise the dough balls, or boilies, from the water. Drain the boilies on paper towels and let them cool off. 8. Place the boilies on a drying rack. Allow them to dry for 5 to 6 hours. 9. Store the boilies in plastic bags in the freezer. Thaw before using. Method 3. No. Cook dough balls. 1. Combine the dry ingredients. Mix 2 cups, 470 milliliters, of flour, 2 cups, 470 milliliters, of crushed wheat flakes breakfast cereal, 4 cup, 60 milliliters, of chopped peanuts, and 8 tablespoons, 120 milliliters, of sugar. 2. Add the moist ingredients. Blend in 4 tablespoons, 60 milliliters, of margarine and 8 teaspoons, 40 milliliters, of molasses. 3. Pour in a cherry-flavored carbonated beverage, adding a little at a time until you have a firm dough. 4. Mold the dough into balls. Things. Flour. Yellow cornmeal. Bowls. Measuring spoons and cups. Strawberry gelatin. Cooking pan. Plastic food storage bags. Brown sugar. 3 large eggs. Cooking oil. Red food coloring. Paper towels. Drying rack. Wheat flakes breakfast cereal. chopped peanuts, sugar, margarine, molasses, cherry, flavored carbonated beverage.